Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Hooked in Loops. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button, and for getting updates of new videos then please click the bell icon. Today I will show you how to make these very cute little socks for kids of 1 year or 2 years old. Okay, and I have already made one sock, but I'll be making another one with a different color combination. Okay, so firstly I'm going to make the circular portion. Okay, so for that I'm taking a pink colored yarn. I will make a loop around the two fingers with X-like form, and then insert the hook below the first loop and pull the lower loop, okay, like this, and then do a chain 1. So our magic circle is formed. After that I will be doing we will begin the round 1. Okay, this is the written direction, take a screenshot. Okay, so we will begin with a chain 3. This is going to be the first double crochet of this round. Then in the magic circle we will make 15 double crochets. Okay, so in total there will be 16 double crochets, taking the first chain 3 as a double crochet. So we will quickly do 15 double crochets in the magic circle. Okay, if you find this video little bit faster, so you can always slow the speed in YouTube. Okay, we will pull the tail of the magic circle to shorten the circle. Okay, or make it tighter. After we have done all the 16 double crochets, we will just complete this round with a slip stitch in the third chain of the starting chain 3 of this round. Okay, we have done this. Then we will begin the round 2. In the round 2 we will do chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Then in the same stitch we are going to do one more double crochet. Okay, like this. So one more double crochet is done. And then we are going to do 2 double crochets in the following double crochet stitch. Okay, so 1 and 2. Okay, so in this way we will proceed, that is in each of the stitches we are going to have 2 double crochets. Okay, so in total there will be a total of 32 double crochets in this round. We will quickly complete our double crochets of this round and meet you at the end. Okay, we will do the last 2 double crochets. Okay, and complete this round with a slip stitch into the third chain of the starting chain 3 of this round. Okay, so the second round is also complete. Now we will begin the third round. Okay, here we have a different order, so we will begin with a chain 3, which is going to be the first double crochet as usual. Then in the following 3 stitches we are going to do 1 double crochet each. Okay, so 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so taking the first chain 3 as a double crochet, we did total 4 double crochets in each of the stitches. Then in the 5th stitch we are going to do 2 double crochets. Okay, then in the following 3 stitches we are going to do 1 double crochet each. Okay, so after that, okay, in the following stitch we will do 2 double crochets. Okay, so this is going to be the order, that is in the next 4 stitches 1 double crochet each. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, then in the following stitch 2 double crochets. So 1, and 2, and in the following 3 stitches 1 double crochet each. So 1, 2 and 3. Then again in the following stitch 2 double crochets. Okay, so 1 and 2. This is going to be the order. We will just repeat it till we reach the end. We have reached the end nearly, and we are going to do the last 4 double crochets in the 4 stitches. Okay, after that in the last stitch we will do 2 double crochets. Okay, you will not have to count, okay, because if you follow the order, this is going to be the stitches. There will be a total of 39 stitches in this round. Okay, complete this round with a slip stitch into the third chain of the starting chain 3 of this round. Okay, after that we will do a chain 1 and we will cut the yarn. So the lower portion, circular portion is done. We will now begin the round 4. Okay, we will slip stitch the yellow colored yarn into the third chain of the starting chain 3 of the previous round. Okay, just do a slip stitch and we will do a chain 3. This is the first double crochet of this round. Then in each of the following stitches we are going to do 1 double crochet each. Okay, so we will quickly do this round. Very easy, 1 double crochet in each of the stitches. Okay, so complete it. At the end we will complete this round with a slip stitch into the third chain of the starting chain 3 of this round. Okay, now we will repeat this entire row 4 from row 5 to row 10. That is, we are going to do 6 more rows. Okay, that is 1 double crochet in each of the stitches. Just repeat what you did in row number 4. It's very easy and complete it very fast. Okay, this socks is very easy to make and anyone can make this, even a beginner. Okay, so complete it soon. This is the end of the 9th row, completed with a slip stitch in the third chain of the starting chain 3 and begin the row 10 with a chain 3. That is the first double crochet of this round, and in a similar way we will do 1 double crochet in each of the stitches. Okay, so a total of 39 stitches in this round. We will now complete this round with a slip stitch into the third chain of the starting chain 3 of this round. Okay, we will just do a chain 1, but we will not cut the yarn. Okay, so the lower portion of the socks is done. Now we are going to do the pink color angular portion. So we will begin the round 11 with a slip knot. Okay, and insert the hook in that slip knot. Contrasting color will always make it look prettier. We will slip stitch into the third chain of the starting chain 3 of the previous round. Okay, where we ended the previous round. After we have done the slip stitch, we are just going to do chain 3, which is going to be the starting double crochet of this round. Okay, after the chain 3, in the following 19 stitches we are going to do 1 double crochet each. So taking the first chain 3 as a double crochet, we have in total 20 double crochets in this round. Okay, We will now begin the round 12 with a chain 3, which is again going to be the first double crochet of this round. We will turn our work. In the following 8 stitches, we are going to do 1 double crochet each. Okay. So taking the first chain 3 as a double crochet, we will do total 9 double crochets. Okay. Now in the following 2 stitches, we are going to do a cluster of 2 double crochets. Okay. So 1 and 2. Okay. And when we have 3 loops, pull the yarn through all the 3 loops. Then in the remaining 9 stitches, we will do 1 double crochet each. Okay. Okay, so after the last double crochet, we will begin the round 13 again with a chain 3, which is going to be the first double crochet of this round. Okay, then we will turn our work. In the following 6 stitches, we are going to do 1 double crochet each. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. Then in the next 4 stitches, we are going to do a cluster of 4 double crochets. Okay. When we have a total of 5 loops in our hook, we will pull the yarn through all the 5 loops. Okay, this will give a round effect to our socks. In the next 7 stitches, 1 double crochet each. Okay. We are going to now begin the round 14. Okay. In this round, we will begin with a chain 3, which is again going to be the first double crochet of this round. Okay. And then we will turn our work. In the following 4 stitches, we are going to do 1 double crochet each. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. In the next 4 stitches, we are going to do a cluster of 4 double crochets. So this again is going to give the round effect in the socks. Okay, so when there are a total of 5 loops in the hook, pull the yarn through all the 5 loops. Okay, now in the remaining 5 stitches, we will do 1 double crochet each. The angular portion is done. Now we will just fold that portion, okay, as I am showing you, like this. Okay, insert your hook in the last stitch and pull the loop through it. Okay, just pull it. Okay, now we are going to close that hole by slip stitch. Insert your hook in the second loop of every stitch, okay, like this, and do a slip stitch. Do slip stitches in the same way in each of the following 4 stitches. Insert your hook in the central stitch, okay, of that portion and do a slip stitch like this. Chain 1 and cut the yarn, okay. So our angular portion of the socks is also ready. We will now begin the round 15, okay. So we had left that yellow colored loop earlier, okay. So we will just we did a chain 1 at that time, okay. So we will do another chain, okay. So there will be chain 2, or let me open it up, okay. Open that chain and do chain 2. This chain 2 is going to be the starting half double crochet of this round, okay. Then we are going to do 2 half double crochet in the stem of the pink colored double crochet like this, okay. In the then we will do 2 half double crochets in the next pink colored double crochet stem, okay. After that we are going to do 1 half double crochet in that hole, that is the double crochet stitch, okay. Done. Then in the double crochet stem we are going to do 2 half double crochets, okay. Again in that stitch we are going to do 1 half double crochet. In the last stem we are going to do 1 half double crochet. Then we are going to do 1 half double crochet in the joining stitch, okay, of that pink colored portion. This done. Now we will just repeat what we did in the first half, okay. That is 1 half double crochet in the next pink colored double crochet stem, then 1 half double crochet in the stitch of that double crochet, then 2 half double crochets in the following stem of the pink color double crochet, and again 1 half double crochet in that stitch, then 2 half double crochet in that stem, okay, and 2 half double crochets in the last pink colored stem. So in total we had 19 half double crochets, okay. Then we have 19 more stitches left of that yellow colored stitches, okay. So we will do 19 more half double crochets in these stitches. So in total there will be 38 half double crochets in this round, okay. I hope you are understanding what I am doing. I am doing half double crochets throughout the yellow colored and the pink colored portion, okay. So we have reached nearly end of this round and we will complete it with a slip stitch in the second chain of the starting chain 2 of this round, okay. Done. Now we will begin the round 16. Round 16 and 17 are going to be the same. We will begin that round with chain 3, okay. So this is going to be the starting double crochet of this round, and in each of the stitches we are going to do 1 double crochets, okay. So a total of 38 double crochet in this round and also in the round 17. So we will quickly complete these 2 rounds. These 2 rounds are very simple, containing 1 double crochet in each of the stitches, okay. So do it. We will complete this round with a slip stitch into the third chain of the starting chain 3 of this round, followed by chain 3, and begin the row 17, just same as the round 16. Okay, so we will complete our round 17 quickly and complete that round with a slip stitch. Okay, so it's nearly completed. We will just complete it with a slip stitch into the third chain of the starting chain 3 of this round, followed by chain 1, and we will cut our yarn. Okay, so it's done. Now only the last 4 rounds are left. Okay, so our socks is nearly ready. Now we are just going to do the border. So we will begin the round 18. Okay, we will slip stitch the pink colored yarn in the third chain of the starting chain 3 of the previous round and do chain 3. Okay, and do 1 double crochet in each of the stitches. So in total there will be 38 stitches in this round. Okay, so we will quickly do our round number 18. Okay, we will complete this round with a slip stitch in the third chain of the starting chain 3 of this round. Now we will do round 19 to round 21, which are going to be the same. So chain 3. In the following double crochet stem, we are going to do a front post double crochet. Okay, so we are not going to do the double crochet in the stitches. We are going to do on the stem. So front post, that is in front of the stitch, insert a hook like this through the stem and pull the yarn. Okay, and do a double crochet. And after the front post double crochet, we will do a back post double crochet. That is, from the back we will take out the hook, through that stem we will pull the yarn. Okay, and we will do 1 double crochet. In this way we are going to do alternating front post and back post double crochets. So front post, okay, and back post. From the back take out the hook and through the stem pull the yarn and do double crochet. I hope you understood how to do it. We will now complete this round, okay, with a slip stitch in the third chain of the starting chain 3 of this round and begin the next round with a chain 3 and repeat exactly the round number 19. Okay, so this is the round 20th. We will do the same thing in the round 21. Okay, that is alternating front post and back post stitches. Okay, this is the end of round 21, which we will complete with a slip stitch in the third chain of the starting chain 3 of this round, followed by chain 1, and we will cut the yarn. Okay, so our socks is ready. It is very beautiful, especially with these contrasting colors. We will do upside down, okay, like this. Take out the inside portion, which is going to be the front portion of the socks. Okay, so our socks is ready. So I hope you liked this tutorial. If you liked this tutorial, then please hit the like button. Comment in the comment section for any queries. I will solve your problems. and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.